Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum, and ICP. Let's dive in. All right, guys, let's start with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin 5 months in a row, green. So here, September, October, November, December, and January is still green, but personally, I would like to see the drop and close the January in the red condition and the February in red condition, then March, April, May, green, because based on these metrics, what I posted in Telegram channel, and I highly recommend you go and join in totally for free. Usually, when we got 5 months in a row up, not even up, just green, we got 3 months down. So I hope we'll not see the 3 months in a row red. For Bitcoin, everything's still relevant. Take a look on this 12-hour time frame and 4-hour time frame. This VIB absolutely still relevant. We track this VIB and even since this top, we find a support bounce, collapse to 27 zone. I mark it. We're gonna sweep at this high, and we'll leave this one. We'll leave the tiny 4-hour time frame favorable gap. And for continuation, we have to hold the line. This one, 40K320, this one, because if we will hold the line, we can forming the head and shoulder pattern, and the road will be open once again to 46 and 48 again to test a monthly fair value gap, what we have to close. Take a look on a daily time frame. Like you can see here, the buy line at this current moment is 27,500. Take profit 54,500 and exit line around 2.61 lower by FIB 61 and 400. So anyway, today be careful with the market, because today we will see huge volatile based on Jerome Powell's speech decision for rate. Take a look on the Bitcoin dominance. Absolutely everything is still relevant, no matter what's happened with Bitcoin price. You know, we have to pay attention where the money inflow, and if the money continue inflow, even Bitcoin going down, you know, we can hit Bitcoin dominance even 57 and 20. This what I marked before. This is altcoin season zone, and this is what I'm waiting personally, because I hope the altcoins have to bounce, you know, and the follow of the Ethereum, because take a look, Bitcoin already swept this high, you know, this liquidity pool. Ethereum still lagging, and Ethereum have to pump over than 261 low by FIB, over than 60% from this current price. So here are the Ethereum targets. It's on a bit stump from the highest point. 1, support, drop it down to 27 block, retest of 18 low by FIB, and now we're trying breaking out 0.23 low by FIB. Most negative scenario, what we can see for Ethereum, it's something like this one, because now, like you can see, the Sol overperform Ethereum pretty well. So this one, if the Ethereum gonna crash, we're gonna sweep this low. It's 1,500 and maybe even touch 1,300. I don't think so. We'll drop once again to 800. Now we can come back to this target a little bit later. You know, the highest point for Ethereum, I think can hit 6,800 and 9,991. So this one, I don't think so. The Ethereum gonna breaking out over than 10K this cycle. So now all eyes on Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum, and take a look on ICP. We're still in the range. Let's take a look on indicator set. What's going on now with the whales here? ADZ, it's good. So we bounce, you know, because we sweep this liquidity pool, and a market, the more than good to buy back will be if we'll drop and sweep this one. And now basically we just forming the order flow from sellers on a daily time frame. Most likely we'll see something like this one, sweep once again this one, and sweep this liquidity pool. After that, we can see the continuation. So more likely, February still can be for ICP and for altcoins downtrend. You know, here a weekly time frame, we need to see the accumulation again. I hope we will hold the line. You know, now maybe more in the range, more in this range, not drop to $5 again. You know, because it's going to be pretty hard if we'll drop like this one to fulfill on a weekly time frame. This one, $5.65. More likely, I would like to see something like this one, something like which breaking out, retest, and going higher. You know, so we got an impulse, sideways impulse. This pattern, it's on a weekly time frame. Here on a weekly, we're still in distribution. Of course, on monthly time frame here, all this time period, the whales accumulate so hard. You know, we don't even touch the highest point of this middle range on a monthly time frame. That's why main targets for ICP, personally for me, absolutely still relevant. If we take a look on direction, I would like to see once again drop to the middle line or even to the bottom, but trade in this range. It's between 16.30 and $8. Yes, in this range, I would like to build a sideways, maybe with deviations. So I would like to see the deviation, for example, at the bottom, like this one, sweep liquidity pool, bounce, continuation, deviation at the top, correction to equilibrium, and continuation higher, because we usually work impulse, correction, impulse. Now we got only one impulse and we trade in a sideways. So that's why accumulate now at 11 or wait lower price, it's only up to you. So I'm not touching and not trade a ICP at this current moment. Take a look now on market mode money power. Here, we need to see the market come down, the disbelief or hope zone once again on a weekly time frame. So it's now it looks kind of overhyped. Money inflow, money outflow. So basically nothing changed. Take a look on the last indicators, trade on. Here we got a signal, last signal to buy, take profit, signal to sell. I would like to see that. It's a weekly time frame, it's really important. I would like to see the sideways here and recommendation close position, and maybe one more signal to buy by end of February. And last indicators, take profit here on a daily time frame. Yes, line start curve up, but this is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting something like this one. Let's go to 12-hour time frame. Test buy line on a 12-hour time frame like this one. Sweep liquidity, bounce, and continuation higher. So for me, the deviation, and then continuation to the main targets. Main targets for ICP, I remind you, like you can see the line start curve higher. That's why it would be more than okay to test exit line $8.18 and take profit $7.59. It will be more than okay. Continuation, it's 24.37, 37.86, and this sweep liquidity 87, and the last block. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think we will see for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ICP in February, and what are you waiting in spring 2024. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.